In a book of meditations by Cara Lubick, may nabasa po akong isang napakagandang istorya, karanasang totoo ni Cara. She was narrating her experience when one time she went to do her regular visit to the Blessed Sacrament. And while at prayer, she felt so free, with a lot of simplicity and freedom. She asked Jesus in the Blessed Sacrament, sabi niya, Lord, how come you found a way to be with us here on earth through the Blessed Sacrament and through the Eucharist? So tinatanong ni Clara si Jesus, sabi niya, ang ganda-ganda naman nun, nandito ka kahit wala ka na sa mundo, nandito ka pa rin sa Blessed Sacrament, sa Eucharist. Natatanggap ka namin. You found a way para manatili in our midst. How is it, sabi ni Clara, how is it you didn't invent a similar way for Mama Mary to stay with us here on earth? Yun yung tanong niya. At sa puso ni Clara, naramdaman niya na tila sinasabi sa kanya ni Jesus, I didn't find a way for Mary to stay with you, to remain with you, because I want to see Mary once again in you. Men and women, children and old. Ano man ang katayuan natin sa buhay, katulad ni Maria, maaari tayong magkaroon ng pusong naniniwala lagi sa pag-ibig at sa kapayapaan. Nakakalungkot po, may mga kapatid tayo sa ibang relihiyon. Siguro kaya nila hindi na-appreciate si Mary. Hindi ko sinasabi na tama lagi yung kanilang ginagawa, yung pagpuna sa atin. Pero palagay ko may katwiran eh. Kasi pagka nahulog lang, nakulong lamang sa debosyon ang pagmamahal natin kay Maria. Ang paanyaya po sa atin ng awit na ito na sinulat ko mula sa inspiration ng karanasan ni Cara Lubick. Sana, para magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa mundo, bilang mga deboto ni Maria, huwag nating ikulong lang sa pagdadasal ng rosaryo, bagamat napakaganda nun. Sa pagnonobena, bagamat napakaganda niyan. Sa pag-awit ng mga magagandang awit kay Maria, huwag lang doon. Katulad ni Maria, sana magkaroon tayo ng pusong bukas sa lahat. Natitiyak ko, kahit Muslim, Protestante, born again, anuman ang relihiyon, may lugar sa puso ni Maria, kahit yung mga hindi naniniwala sa Kanya. Kung ganun tayo, magkakaroon ng kapayapaan sa mundo. Sa pagkakataon pong ito, nais ko pong samantalahin na ang awit na ito para kay Maria ay ialay sa isang espesyal na paraan sa isang tao, sa isang babae, na siyang pinakabuhay, pinakamalapit na larawan ni Maria para sa akin. Wala pong iba, kundi si Maria Concepcion Liwag Perez, ang pinakamamahal kong nanay na nandito. Nag-birthday po siya kahapon. Happy birthday, nanay. Bagong dating pa, may jet lag pa ho yan sa barko. Galing Mindoro. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, nanay. Mahal na mahal yung upuan na yan. Okay lang ho. Libre daw, sabi ni Father Andy. I would like to call the young singing sensation of Cavite, Jelly Federosa, to join me in this song.
You found a way to be with us. You have remained among us. In tabernacles everywhere, in the sacred meal, you're always there. Dear Lord, let me ask, with heart full of love and trust, why didn't you find a way? Saint Mary with us, Master.
I want to see her again in you. I want to see her again in you. And even though you're not immaculate, my love will make you chaste. I wanna see her again in you. I wanna see her again in you. And like a mother, you'll open your heart and arms, that the wounded of this world may find her in you.
You found a way to be with us.
I always long to be with you.
You have remained among us.
In every time, in every place.
Tabernacles everywhere.
That's why I chose to stay
The
with
sacred
you.
mill, you're always there. But dear Lord, let me ask.
Tell me, my
Heart
child,
full of love and trust. Why didn't you find a way so that Mary with us may stay?
I want to see her again.
Another Mary.
I want to see her
It's
again.
all I want to be.
And even though
Believing
you're
in
not
love,
immaculate, my love will make you change. I want to see her again.
Another Mary.
I want to see her
It's
again
all I
in you.
want to be.
And like a mother, you'll open your heart and arms, that the wounded of this world. I want to see her again.
Another Mary.
I want to see her
It's all
again
I
in
want
you.
to be.
And even though you're not immaculate, my love will make you change. I want to see her again.
Another Mary.
I want to see her again in you. Like a mother, you open your heart and arms, that the wounded of this world may find her in you. I want to see her again in you. I want to see her again in you. I want to see her again in you. Thank you so much, Jelly. Thank you so much also to our dancers, Lori and Jessie Boy. Siguro naman po, maliwanag na maliwanag yung pagkakakonvey ng message. Ano po? Si Jelly, yung si Kiara. Ako po si Jesus, hindi po ako si Mary.